Okay.
Spaghetti.
You know what, guys and girls, I don't want to elaborate much more. I just want you to search for it and find it how the movie being great. Okay, so bye for now, guys and gals. Say bye. Shout out to each every one of you. Thank Lord for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. I'm on my day 4 now. Is it right? 16, 17, 18, 19. Day 4 here in Legazpi City. Once again, happy fiesta this Saturday in San Roque, Legazpi City.
August 15 and 16.
16, yeah. Shout outs before we end. Greet your loved ones and your friends or classmates. Go, 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 guys!
Shout out, Glynis. Magbayad ka kang 500 mong inutang sako.
Oh, kita mo na yan.
Manila ka na daa.
Grabe! Oy, don't say. Sorry for the term. No. How about you? Shout out.
Shout out to my friends and classmates.
Hi,
Shout
shout out
out.
sa mga aki ko dyan. Si Stephen, si Sherwin, si Steven, sa mga apo ko, Shamsinda. Di ko naman babanggit mo sa syempre. Especially sa aki kong teacher, si Baby Lynn, na taga Pangpang Pilar, Sarsagan.
How about you? Shout out before we end.
Shout out to my brothers in Lucena and my cousins in Australia and Japan.
Louder
And
voice.
also my brother and Norwich.
Okay. Thank you. Bye for now.
And also my son in Manila.